Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Houseplantpixie from the Happy Plant Palace. Today I would like to chop up my variegated monstera with you guys. I'm completely winging this. I only got one shot at it. So yeah, I don't like the look of it. It's really leggy. It just has a growth up the top and I'm not happy with it. So I've been thinking about it. Those who follow me on Instagram know I had some questions asked and you voted whether to chop it or not. The vote was to chop it. So it's happening now. The only thing you need when you propagate a plant is need a good set of secateurs. Make sure they're clean. Oh, well, not really. And I use ground cinnamon. I filled it up in a little tub because we're gonna dip the ends of the cutting into the cinnamon. It just prevents fungal infections. I had good experience with it, so okay, I'm just gonna explain. So we got an area root here. There. Mind you, the plant decided to use the area root, so it's buried. This is another area root. And most of the time we have an area root across from it. It's like a little bubble. It's almost like a thick, you can feel it. You see it a bit better down the bottom here. See that bubble there? Bit hard to see. That one there. That's a node. So we're gonna cut, the first cut we're gonna make is above this node. I got this plant, I think about a year ago. I was very lucky. I scored it for a very good price. And I blended in a picture what it looked like. I gave it a smaller pot and I watered it less, and yeah, that done the trick. I'm gonna film another video for monstera, variegated monstera care, because they are a bit more finicky than the normal monstera, but let's chop her up. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean my secateurs. So just have some normal cleaner, like just multi-purpose cleaner. Just clean the blades. I'm gonna make the first chop just above that node, just above this node here. Showed you before. All right, let's do it. Oh, it happened. Ah, it's chopped. All right, so that's what's left. Now, just gonna sprinkle some, I hope you can see that, just some cinnamon on this cut. Right. Now, this part. Then again, you have an area root here, and that's the node there. And we make another cut there, because here we have the next area root, and there's not really a node I can feel there. So let's just make the chop there. And we got cutting here. This is rubbish. Nothing will if you ever buy a cutting, it has no area root, it has no node, there's nothing on it, it's rubbish. But I've seen people sell it. Ground cinnamon. Also, I always like to let my cuttings dry for at least an hour. Both ends are ground cinnamon. Just put that here. All right. I could try and root it like that, but it's sort of, I'm not sure. I would like to trim it one more time or a couple more times and just see. I'm just trying to, so I think I'm gonna make, here's another node just here. I'm just gonna make another cut there. Chop. And because we're doing a massacre anyway, let's do another chop. Let's just, yeah. I could possibly chop this one more time, but I don't want to risk it. So the area root will come out here, and this is the node there. And on this one, the node is just here. So I'm going to chop it right there. So we got, then again, dip it in the ground cinnamon. I like to propagate in sphagnum moss. I got my little glass ball here. My moss is nice and moist. And now I'm just gonna place this cutting on top. Same with this one. See if we can fit them all. Oi. To this little bowl. Alright guys, I just covered, I tried not to cover where the cut is, and this will go onto my LED shelf, onto a heat mat. Alright guys, that's it. Got our cuttings here. Attach a photo where they're gonna be living now. I'll probably check them in about 4 to 6 weeks, how they're going. If they develop roots, check that they're not rotting or anything. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. Give it a like if you liked it. Tell me your experience. Have you got a variegated monstera? Are you thinking about cutting it up? Tell me all about it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, and until then, I'll see you next time. Stay planty. Bye.